Today, we're diving into the world of instant photography with the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 instant camera in Lilac Purple, a fantastic bundle that includes everything you need to capture and cherish your memories. This value accessory bundle comes with the iconic Instax Mini 11 camera, complete with a matching protective case, and a whopping 60 Fujifilm Instax Films so you can start snapping right away. The camera boasts a sleek, updated design with automatic exposure, ensuring bright and vibrant photos in any lighting condition, whether you're in the sun or capturing moments in the dark. Perfect for selfies, the Mini 11 features a built-in macro mode and selfie mirror, eliminating the need for additional close-up lens attachments, though we've included them in the bundle just in case. Plus, you'll get a photo album, decorative stickers, frames, and even a jewel and glow-in-the-dark shutter button to personalize your camera experience. Whether it's for parties, birthdays, anniversaries, or just because, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 is the ultimate gift bundle for capturing life's special moments. Don't miss out on making unforgettable memories with this incredible camera set.